True that. True that.
So yeah, what we kind of talking about? We're talking about creating studio spaces, man. It's like something.
So go ahead and open blinds. The sun just trying to come in.
I know, but the way it's right in my eyes.
I know, I'm watching it like being. Don't run from the light. Don't run from the light. The sun.
Trying to let it shine on me too. But so like, you know, we in my studio space and came up with that idea of like, yo, like rent out the spot and let some artists come through and like that's a super cool idea, something I had thought about doing before. And not particularly that way, but like for someone who's participated in an artist residency, right? Like when I went on my residency to Cuba, it was one where I had to pay to get there. Shout out to everybody who supported, to my group me. So I keep doing it, not group me, it was GoFundMe. Everybody that supported to my GoFundMe to help get me out there. Super dope experience. But then like one thing that my girlfriend had shared with me was just like, she had asked a question and I was just like, right. She was just like, why can't you just do that yourself? I was like, just going to Cuba to go do this thing. And like for the like sake of like going to Cuba and that whole challenge, that was one thing. So I was like, I needed a program to do that. But like anywhere else that I can safely travel was like, can I just like book it, put some stuff together, you know, and go at? Because like, it depends on what the purpose of the residency is, right? Yeah. And so I think in the idea of like, if you're just trying to go somewhere and create with freedom, then yeah, like book you a spot, you know what I mean, get you an Airbnb and like let them know what you come in to use their space for, but then like
collaborate with local creatives.
Yeah, and like, you know what I mean, like create that experience of a residency. You can if you want to put it on your resume, it's like self-created artist residency.
I've done it.
You know what I mean?
I went to Orlando for 2 weeks and just created. Like when I touched down in Orlando, just through networking on social media, I performed like 3 times in one night, spoken word shows, and then ended up exhibiting out there. Exhibited at City Arts Factory, performed spoken word there. I auctioned a piece off out there, taught art auctioning, 3 mask art gallery. Like it was just dope. Like I collaborated with a lot of different people.
That's tight. So yeah, like it's really just a matter of like creating that freedom for yourself. Because that's a hard thing to do for an artist too. Like I said, you're a full-time artist, and so like even like on a day-to-day, what is that for you? Because I mentioned it in another video that I did. I'm just talking about like art jobs and the idea of like a full-time artist, and like I you know, from my experience, I have, you know, created a definition of what it is meant for me, but like what is it meant for you to be like a full-time artist?
Responding to emails.
Talk about it.
That's it. You just paint pictures and you respond to emails and messages, and then you paint pictures and you tell people that you're going to be there, and then you do your best to show up and have really nice pictures that you painted. And you do it again and again, and a lot of times you do it by yourself. Like you got to be the art and the business. You know.
That's true.
The art business.
Yeah.
You got to be the art and the business.
Yeah.
And I think most artists, I always say this, most artists need assistance. So for all you business students that are out there getting your business degree and you really want to figure out what to do with your life, we are the wave. The art is $1 trillion industry. You should get yourself the nicest, dopest, most motivated artist in your city whose art that you really, really whose art you really, really appreciate, artwork you really appreciate. So I was trying to go with that one. And you know, support them. You know, figure out how you could turn their art business to a real business. Yeah. You know, answer some emails for them.
Right. I'm gonna try because I can't see you and it's bothering me because the sunlight is.
Because the sun, like,
it's just a silhouette.
The sun just wanted to look in here.
Yeah, I was like, all right, y'all got enough of this nice light on my face. Like, I gotta see who I'm talking to.
Right.
Yeah, this works. Cool. Get my eyes back.
I know, just it.
Yeah.